Thing right now I'm using to change the snippet in my uh, Sublime text into something changed to according to our coding standards. So let's say I want to use anonymous function. So right now I have space here, but I don't need that one, and this space is good, and I don't need the semicolon as well. So I need to edit this function, this snippet to be working with our configurations. So this is how we do it. I don't find any automated way to do that. You need to do it manually. So first you need to install Sublime text package called package resource viewer. I'll add link to this one, and then you have to install it. How to install? So first what we need to do is we need to extract the JavaScript package. So we can do it like that, like go extract. So you get the extract packages, this command, and then you need to select JavaScript. I have already done that one, that's why you can't see that one in the list. Okay, the next thing is we need to open the snippet uh, available for this anonymous function, right? So let's do that. First I need to command shift P, and I need to type, let's say, open, and open resource. Then you get this one, the top one, and go to that and select JavaScript, and then you need to go through each of this one. So there is no better way to identify. You need to try and error and find out the exact snippet you need to have. So this time I'm using this one, function.sublime, and after I got that one, so this is the format of the code. So you can see here this format. So I need to change that one. I don't need this space, and I don't need this semicolon as well. So then just save this file. That's all you have to do. And then next time onwards, when you're creating an anonymous function, you can see it's there. So it's according to our standard. So what you have to do is just open our coding standard. Okay, go to a coding standard document, just where it's loaded, and go to the, let's say, wow, it's on the style guide. And then so these are some of the way we need to structure our code. So it's this will be slightly away from the Meteor's default behavior. So they have spaces here right now, but we don't. So go through this document and try to update scripts or snippet again into this format. So that's it. I hope this is gonna work.